Hello everyone, welcome to my US Life Cooking Delight channel. Today I'm going to make a clams with white sauce pasta. This is all the ingredients that we're going to use. This is so simple and easy and very quick. No, you don't have to do too much effort with this. And this is the pasta. You can use spaghetti pasta. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to cook the pasta. Put the broth in. Oil. And salt. Then let's wait until that boil. And just follow the instructions how to cook the pasta. This in the box. Right there, this one is 12 minutes. Let's put the oil. Just brown the garlic. Let's put the turkey bacon. A little brown. Okay, that should be enough, I guess. Ouch. Just save some for garnish later. Okay. Now let's add the clams. So frozen. Just cook it like 2 minutes. Now let's add the wine. Italian seasoning. Chicken powder. And black pepper. And next step. Just cook it another 2 minutes. Now let's add the sauce. I mixed the cream and the broth. I think I put too much in it. Let's simmer it for 2 minutes. Now let's add the pasta. Just mix it. Put your fire to low. There you go, the pasta is ready. See, it's not too creamy, just enough. Looks good and smell good. Looks like the pasta is ready. See, it's not that too much sauce, not too creamy, just enough to the pasta. So simple and easy and very quick to cook. Let's try it. So here is the pasta that I made today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and your family. Alright, see you next time.